channel. If today happens to be your first time, please kindly subscribe and share the link to others so that they will also enjoy the benefits on this channel. Please don't watch this video without subscribing, because I have a lot to share on this channel for you. I'll give you all the tricks, all the tips on MTN bundle, MTN airtime, and many more. So please kindly subscribe and hit on the notification button so that you don't miss my next video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get cheap data bundle to buy. MTN has increased their data bundle prices, and it has made it difficult for us to buy data bundle nowadays. But I've taken it upon myself to always come out with a strategy of getting cheap data bundle. Okay, cheap data bundle to use. All right, so let's use this code *714 *4. Okay, hash. This is the code that we are using to get our cheap data bundle. So let's see. Kindly watch the video to an end and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, welcome to Britain Internet Service. Register, buy bundle, check balance, password. Okay, so I go to option 2, that is buy bundle. Then I go to option 1, buy for myself. Okay, let's start by checking the daily offer. So you see that we have 500 megabytes at 2 cedis 50 pesos daily or a day. Then we have 1 gig at 5 cedis a day. Can you see that? You see that this one is quite cheaper, okay, as even compared to the MTN Zone bundle. Okay, the option 3 is giving you 2.5 gig at 8 cedis for 5 days. Wow, this is amazing. 8 cedis, 2.5 gig at 8 cedis for 5 days, guys. So I'll always opt for the option 2 for my viewers. Okay, so the option 3 is quite cheaper. It's quite cheaper. All right, so let's go back and check the rest. Sorry, the next. So I dial it again. So now let's go to the option 2 and check what we have there. That is the weekly. Weekly, we have 6 gig at 16 cedis for 7 days. Wow, 6 gig at 16 cedis for 7 good days. Wow, this is amazing, guys. I hope you are following me. So watch the video to an end, because I'll tell you the reason why you have to use this offer, and I also let you know whether you are eligible or not. So please watch the video to an end and don't forget to subscribe. Let's go to the monthly. We have 12.5 gig at 25 cedis for 30 days. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. That is MTN data bundle. Then we have 18.5 gig at 33 cedis for 30 days. Then we have 30 gig at 49 cedis. You know, people sell 30 gig at 150 cedis, 180 cedis, and the rest. And we are getting this at 49 cedis for 30 days. Wow. Let's check the last one. That is the special bundle, the option 4. So the special bundle gives you unlimited, okay, for 199 cedis. Let's say approximately 200 cedis, and this one is unlimited for 30 good days. You buy it 30 days unlimited. You use it, you can connect it to anything that you are doing. You can just use it. So you see that this one is very, very cheap. So guys, I recommend this one to you, that you use this offer to purchase your data bundle. And please, I will leave the cities, okay, the cities that are eligible, so that if you are in that city, you can apply or you can use this offer. It's not every location that you are that you can apply, okay. So in Ashanti region, we can talk of Obuasi. If you are sited in Obuasi, you can use this offer, okay. We have capos, so please check on the description below. You see all the cities or towns that are qualified to use this data bundle. So kindly subscribe and don't forget to share, and also leave your comment. If you want me to do any video, leave your comment on the comment button below so that we interact. Thank you for watching. Enjoy it, and please don't forget to share. Subscribe to this channel for my next video. My next video is going to be wow, it's going to be amazing. You will enjoy it. Thank you.